Alright guys, it happened. I have a slip up. What the fuck is this?
I am on a whole nother level. Girl, he only fucked you over cause you let him. Girl, I guess he didn't know any better. Girl, that man didn't show me ever. Do all I can just to show you you're special. Certain it's your love that holds me together. You say he been killing the vibe.
What's good, all you guys? First I want to start this off with, I seen how many people watch my videos and are not subscribed, so go drop a subscribe button right now. No matter who you are, come subscribe to my channel because we just hit 100 subscribers, you feel me? And we growing up, you feel me? We moving, but look, hit the subscribe button real quick. I'm gonna take a second, I'm gonna let you breathe real quick, think about it, feel me? Hit the red button, you feel me? But look, now that you subscribe and you liking the video, right? Blowback Bash, back in the building, once again, and today I have a very special video for you guys today. This is like a 100 subscriber special. I've been waiting on this video. I've been doing this for a minute. But today I'm going to drop it for you. I'm going to drop some knowledge for y'all real quick. I'm going to drop some hustle for y'all real quick. You feel me? And you see me, your boy looking rough. But at the end of the video, I'm not going to be looking so rough. Hopefully, if everything goes well. Let's make this quick. Alright, so first I want to thank you guys. Thank everybody for helping me get to 100 subscribers. So basically, I just want to show you guys all the products I bought and everything that I have and what I use. So we're going to start off with that right now. Alright, so first we're going to start off with the Andis T outliners. See, we got the T blade on there. Andis T outliners, some of the best outliners. These are very good, and I have adjusted them. And I'm going to do the modification where you cut with the thing. I'm going to do that eventually. I just haven't done it yet because it overheats a lot, and if that can help just a little bit with the overheating problem, you feel me? Definitely will get into that. Those are my trimmers. For my clippers, I got some Wall Magic clips. These are the wired ones. I don't really mind the wire. I'm rocking with it. I really like this one. I really like the ergonomic feel of it. A lot of people don't talk about these that much because a lot of people just, you know, they have the wireless one. That takes out the zero line for me really easily while I'm fading, and I really do like that product. Next product I have here is the Andis Balding Shaver. I really like this product too a lot. On this, I really like the shaver right here. Battery life is forever. I tried to charge it after I used it a couple times and it was still green. I'm like, wow, like, the battery life is amazing on those for sure. For all my hair cutting tools, basically that's it. I'm gonna buy some new scissors. These are just some like regular scissors, whatever, for right now for cutting. Let's get into my combs real quick since we're gonna talk about scissors. I got the comb that came, this came with like a kit or something like that. This is one of the best combs you could get. It's a tool structure. You can find these at Sally's, like a couple bucks. I use on my waves. This is an amazing comb, and I have for me a smaller one. So those are my 3 combs. My blade, this is the older one I had. I didn't really like this one because the blades are a lot bigger, and these are the ones that have like the cheap blades. You can buy like 100 for like $6 on Amazon. Did that. Right here's got the blades. So now let's get into the products that I use. So first we got some Amen's medicated powder. This is just for like dusting off the hair after when I'm done. I'll put some powder on my hair duster right here. Any hair duster I got also from a beauty supply near me. And then this one too. You can get other stuff at a beauty supply store. They most likely have all these hair cutting tools and products and everything. So that's what I do at the end to dust everybody off. You need this sanitization, if that's the word, is one of the best, one of the most important things in barbering. So of course I got my Cool Care Plus. You feel me? I need that. Alcohol, need that. Yeah. I got some shave gel here. I need some clear shave gel, but this is like all I got right now just in case I need shave gel. Any like random Walmart shave gel. This product right here is amazing. It tops off all my haircuts. This is the olive oil sheen spray. And honestly, while I'm cutting waves and all that stuff, after I cut the hair, for me I just spray some on there, rub it on a little bit, and it makes them waves pop. It makes my waves pop. It's honestly one of my favorite products that I use. I just bought some Barber side now to put my combs in. Like I said, sanitization is a big thing of barbering. It's not gonna focus, but y'all already know what Barber side is. Here I got my water spray bottle. So when I'm doing long haircuts, you feel me, spray the hair down. Like to cut it makes it a lot easier to work with the hair. Here I got Mitch styling clay. So styling clay helps styling. That styling clay put in work. You feel me? I mess with it. I got some gel. Haven't even opened yet. This is a new pickup for me. I keep picking up things just to make sure for any type of hair that I'm cutting, I always have all the tools I need. Need that. I got some aftershave splash. Feel me? After the razor, probably use that or use my alcohol. And then need this right here. Before you put this on, you feel me? Here I got my whole cover right here that I put on all my clients before I start cutting their hair. Here I have the mirror. I'm gonna set up, eventually I will set up a big mirror here because I do want to make this spot like my little barbering spot. This is what I do. Feel me? But look, I got the mirror. I don't want to see all that back there, but I got it. I was trying to show you the waves, but it's not working. But I got the mirror back there and stuff, you feel me? I'll show you like that. Look, I'll show you like that. I don't know what y'all can see, but y'all can see something. I'm looking rough though. And then this is a brush that I use when I'm cutting hair. While you're fading, one of the best techniques that you need to learn is one brush one, fade one, brush one, I guess is what they call it. And then it's just like while you're fading, you just keep brushing, fade, brush, and get into rhythm. I got some latex gloves right here. After I cut a couple of clients, I noticed that like you always got a lot of hair on your hands, and like these just help so much with that. Like the hair does not get stuck to your hands. Obviously, you know, your hands are covered or whatever. You get hair everywhere else, but you know, not on your hands. So like if you want to go eat after, you want to go do something real quick, you could do that. You don't have to like do so much to try and get all these little hairs off your hands. You know, your boy wavers, so I just got hella durags for sale for anybody. Like if I'm cutting wavers and stuff, I got some velvet durags over there. So that right there is all my products that I use for cutting, all my tools that I use for cutting hair. That is basically everything you're gonna need if you want to start up. Get all of these products right here. Remember, sanitization is #1, and you build up. You know, I still got more stuff to buy eventually. You know, I want to upgrade my clippers. I want to upgrade stuff. You feel me? So let me not make this too long. That is what you need basically to start barbering. And then we're probably just gonna get into a quick self cut, and that'll probably be it for the video. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record the whole self cut, but I'm gonna just try to do some stuff for you guys on the camera, and then the rest I'm gonna go cut my hair, come back and show you. Another most important thing you're gonna need is lights. You feel me? I'm about to knock my camera over, but I got my lights, you feel me? And these are my camera lights, and they were really good for cutting hair. Check me out real quick. Do the 360. This is also the chair that I use to cut. It's like a spinny chair thing. It make a lot of noise and it's pretty uncomfortable, but you gotta start somewhere. This is where I'm starting, you feel me? But look, check me out real quick. Let's just get straight into the cut, man. I'm about to bring this into the bathroom. Y'all not gonna get the best view, but y'all gonna get a view, you feel me? Check it out. Ooh. Check me out, check me out, check me out, check me out. Y'all check me out. Y'all check me out. Y'all check me out. Alright, so we about to get straight to this cut. First I wanna say I appreciate my aunt from New York because she bought me this bright light, which is the reason why I'm here right now recording this video with this real good lighting that y'all about to see me cut, you feel me? Let's get right to the cut though, you feel me? Because I ain't got time like that. I ain't even got time like that, but look, let me think about this, look. But when you're cutting yourself, you need a lot of good lighting. You need a mirror to cut the back, fade the back. This is gonna be real hard. I struggle every time. You never know what can happen cutting hair, but you know, you wish for the best. We're gonna get right to this haircut, see how it turns out. So at first, we're gonna start off with how we start off with every haircut, you feel me? I got my neck thing, I got my cover. I'm gonna start off with cool kit. So we gonna hit that right quick. Hit that right quick. Leave it on for like a good 10 seconds. Cutting your hair is never easy, but you have to know that you're gonna mess up, and you have to know that you're gonna get better. So I know I'm gonna get better. I know I made some mistakes. We're gonna go into this haircut thing and the best thing we could possibly think. And we're gonna do work, man, like always. That's what we do. Bash team out here in the building, you feel me? We about to get right and do work how we always do, you feel me? That's how we rock. Alright, well, we're gonna leave it right there for now. I'm gonna make my initial line. I'm gonna try to repeat that to the other side before I even start with the fade. Alright, so now I have my lines on each side. As y'all can see, I'm gonna just get the fade in. How we gonna attack this haircut right now? We're gonna start with our clippers closed. And we're gonna hit it up a little bit, put it halfway, hit up a little bit, all the way up a little bit. Then we're gonna move. This is my half guard right here. Straight to the half guard. I'm gonna go straight to fading. There's no guideline fading. Half guard closed. Hit up a little bit. Half guard in the middle, up a little bit. Half guard all the way open up a little bit. And repeat the same steps with our one guard, and then if we need to, the 1.5 guard. Before you even start fading, it's always good to clean up to how high. Like let's say, I thought you could see this line, I can see this better. So let's say this line is right here. I have all this bulk up here, right? So what I'm gonna first try to do, brush it down like this. So all this hair up here, I'm gonna try to set. I'm gonna say I want my fade to go like this high, right? Let's say like right here. I'm gonna grab my biggest guard that I'm gonna use, my 1.5, cut up to there with the 1.5, and that's how it's just cleaning up. That's just cleaning up. So that's what I'm gonna do on this side. All the way close. Grab my brush. And I can see there's a little bit of line there right there, so I'm gonna actually hit this in the middle And I'm gonna just tap that line. Make sure to keep brushing. It's a little harder when you're by yourself. I'm gonna open it all the way. I'm gonna hit a little more. That's as high as I want my fade to go. So no matter what, and it's still kind of a line there, but I feel like once we fade it up to that, we'll work with it at the end. Alright, so y'all can see that right there. That's what my I'm gonna do that to both sides real quick. So because I want to keep this haircut even. Remember, you want to keep the haircut even. So y'all can't see the other side, but I'm about to do this to the other side. Damn, could I do that? I'm taking a risk for y'all right now, man. I can't see shit on this thing. No, I can't. I'm about to fuck it up. So now that's gonna clean up the area for me to attack my face. So we're gonna take this 1.5 guard off. Yeah, I like this. Honestly, I like how this side came in a little more than this side. I feel like I went a little higher on this side and it came out a little better, like up here. So look, we're gonna even it out. We're gonna do what we do. And I think I cut a little more on this. Alright, so we're gonna work with that right now. So now we're gonna hit it with the 0 and we're gonna start going to work. If I need to explain something, I'll explain in the voiceover. What the fuck is this? I'm gonna keep going at it. Like I'm telling y'all, I'm working with y'all right now. People who cut their hair right now, they messing up, it's okay. I don't even know if I'm messing up. We're gonna check it out then. But I'm gonna leave that and then we're gonna hit the other side right now. This is a 1.5 guard and all the way open. So I went in on the top right here and I just took down the bolt on both sides. And as y'all can see, that does not look bad at all on either side. So after I line this up, fade in the beard a little bit, I'm gonna show you the beard technique real quick. We're gonna start off with our magic clips. I'm all the way closed, and then hit this top line right here. It's also pretty easy if you use like the corners to help. So that was closed. Just a little bit of work there with that. Just to blend on the whole thing. Clean it up a little higher. And then that already looks better, but obviously still a strong line there. Then we're gonna all the way open. Do a good amount. Cut off a good amount all the way open. Let's see, maybe a little more. And go halfway on this. And you're just gonna attack that line that you see on top. Now, as y'all can see, my beard is faded in. Focus, once again. Thanks. Hanoli Cakes for the light, yo. I gotta do it again. I gotta thank her. Best aunt in the world, you feel me? So now we're gonna do the other side. I'm gonna stop the video for that. I'm gonna fade in the other side. Same techniques I used to fade in this. And then you can also, do a little more work, like more half guard work and stuff. But I'm gonna shape up my beard. Fade this in, fade the back. And I'm gonna get right to y'all. So another quick thing I wanted to put into this video real quick. I am woofing. This is how you do a blowout while you're woofing. And honestly, this is one of the hardest things because honestly, if I was just to fade into like a low cut, if I was to hit this with like a 3 or a 2, and to fade into that would be so easy, and my face would come out way cleaner, like how it blends. But just to get this fade to blend into the boat is always the hardest part. as you guys can see on both sides, but I'm gonna leave it like that. I feel like this looks clean once I tape it up and everything. I'm gonna get straight to the tape on the back. Yeah, I'm talking quick because I don't get that much time, so we're gonna get straight to the facts here. Feel me? So I'm gonna get straight to the back right now. We're gonna cut the back right now, and I'm showing you guys how the back is working. There's in the mirror right now. I'm just getting some brush strokes in. Basically, we're gonna hit the same steps on the back. I'm gonna just show y'all my balding line where I'm gonna put it because I really want to do a lot lower this time, and I'm gonna show you the ending fade, and that's gonna be it. This is basically how you do it. I'm looking into the mirror. I got the other mirror right here. As y'all can see, that is my guideline. I left this right here on the side and the other one on the side just so I'm gonna fade that in and make it look a little nicer once I shape it up. And let's get straight to the back fade. Alright, so this is where I'm at with the back right now. I'm gonna go in with a half guard and a 1 guard, fade out all of that. And then I'm done with all the fades. So let's finish this haircut. Alright guys, it happened. I had a little slip up. This thing won't come in. Basically, look at the back of my noggin. The fade doesn't look so bad. Then, I kind of went too high with the 1 guard over here when I was trying to fix it, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but I had a little. Let me see if I can see it. You can't see it that much, but it just looks pretty good. I don't like it, but so I let slip up right there. But over and all, trying to get this fade. Yeah, it is pretty high. I suck at making these low. At the end of the day, if any of you guys are barbers professionals for me, you want to throw in some tips, let me know. 3 close. I'm gonna knock this down. I already did it recently, so I'm gonna do it again right now. So it shouldn't take out too much, but take off enough to where I can clean up my tape. As y'all can see, I now have a perfect template to make this tape crispy, so let's get back to it in a second. This is what I do to get the back right here on this side. If y'all think this is fair or not, subscribe down below. You blow back in the building. Peace.